Hi, good morning, students. I think you will be habitual of your daily study, and day by day, you are improving your skill. Now, today I am going to take class of 8, and the subject topic is diary writing. In the very beginning of syllabus, we have seen that diary writing is given there. As you know that diary writing is a very important topic in which the every person shares his own feelings, and from the beginning to child, that means from childhood to the last moment, everybody can write his diary. From his diary he can learn so many things. The first point, how you begin the write the diary. The first thing is that at the top beginning, how will you begin to write diary? The first thing is that you have to at the top of the page you have to mention the date and the place. Thereafter you have to think. The first is that generally it is your own feelings. So I am to start from the very beginning. When you get up early in the morning, from there I have to apply that. How will you rise in the morning or get up early in the morning? The first thing is that somebody get up through the sound of alarm, somebody get up from the sound of the chirping sound of bird, and somebody, their parents shout. From the shouting voice they get up early in the morning. So it is your own feelings. Its feelings can be changed every day. It is not sure that every day you did like the same thing, but generally every day you have a new feelings of all. So first, how do you get up early in the morning? Then after that, after getting early in the morning, second is then how will you get ready for your school? Second is saying after your daily routine, work, how would you begin to get ready for your school? Generally, what happens after getting ready, it is a very good habit that after getting ready, you just arrange all your bed sheet, pillow cover, and write on the proper place. In this way, you maintain your disciplined life also. And after that, you have to take your dresses and put all the dresses there. And after having your getting it properly dressed, you take your breakfast and all the things. And after taking breakfast, you have to arrange your bag. In generally, what happens in the last beginning, at the last moment of your sleep, before sleep, you have to arrange your bags. That will help you in the morning time. And after that, you come to the school. The next point is that after coming to school, second feelings is that after coming to school, how you spend your whole day in the school. That means whatever the feelings come in the school, It is whatever the pain and pleasure, whatever the pain and pleasure, whatever the pain and pleasure you have got, whatever the pain and pleasure, whatever the pain and pleasure you have received there, or feel there, you have to write in or mention in your diary. That means every day you have a new feelings. Sometimes you get so many mistakes there, sometimes teachers chide you, and sometimes what happens during your classes, you did some mischief thing in the classes. So many feelings came to you. So after writing that, you have to decide that some teachers also give some homework there, and whatever the sincerity, how much sincere in the class you are, that is the most important thing you have prepared for there. So second thing is that after getting all the preparations, you feel that you write down in the diary the what sort of homework I have given there, what mistake I have done there, and what are the mischiefs which is not being done by us, is taken or noticed from the class teacher or the principal sir. You have to mention in the diary. After that, you have to think that when your class is finished, so much discipline you have to maintain in the premises of the school during lunch time, and all the prayers and whatever the things you are doing, is you are doing properly or not. So you have to mention in your diary. Second thing, after returning from the school, you have to think that what sort I have to do, whatever the homework I got, and whatever the things I have to do. You have to make a routine, a chart for that, how you maintain all the things there. So after coming there, how much time you are spending on the play, how much time you are spending on your study, you have to mention in the diary. And thereafter you have to do that. Third thing, that you have to mention all your homework and routine study in the diary. That means in the beginning what happened? Just you have to make a habitual of making write of diary that. If once you have habituated of it, in the future you don't get any problem. So after that, after completing your study and all the things, you have to think that whatever the incident, after that during your study, whatever the incident happened and what homework you have to do and where you get problem. If you focus on that very part, you will realize that I have done so many mistakes there, and after that you will feel that how can you improve your mistakes. So after that, fourth point is that how will you improve your mistakes. When you focus on that very part, you will realize that so many problems are there. So when you are going to sleep, at that time what happened, you have to concise all the things from very beginning to the last, that whatever the problem today you have faced and whatever the pain and pleasure we have realized that in the from very morning to till night, and where I can improve all this. So at the last you conclude that you write the main things, and the main important is that during the from morning time to till night time, any one incident or two incidents which is so important, which is happened in your daily life, you can write in brief that your feelings, that proper feeling is your own feelings, and that way you can improve the quality of your skill also, and during that you will get so many problems there also. So after that I will say that in which this way you can write and make a practice of your daily life, and once you have practices for that, by day and day, after 15 days or 1 month, you will realize that automatically your skill is developed, and wherever you get any problem, you have to take word power from the dictionary and consult with teacher. Now I am going to give some assignment works. How will you write the things and do the in the next video. Thank you.